Golden Palace Hotel Resort, Spa GL. 5 stars. Featuring an on-site restaurant and cigar bar, this Armenian resort is 4.3 miles from bus stop Zakhajar. A full-service spa, billiard hall, and indoor pool are available as well. All rooms feature a flat-screen satellite TV and private bathroom. Select rooms at Golden Palace Hotel Resort and Spa feature a panoramic view, sofa bed, or fully equipped kitchen. I love the location and the facility, staff were so friendly and helpful. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. The receptionist girls, Karina and Laura, were amazing and made our stay at hotel much better. Because of them we enjoyed our vacation. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.